daw sa talent. Then according to the SK Chairman Federation, K. Paranan, dapat mga tao ng tanan o di siya makagasto sa ospital sa mga talent. So this is my talent. It's all about socialan. Well, ladies and gentlemen, palungan na, what happened to me right now? Always go back microphone. Always go back sound system. What happened? Answer me. Palungan ng music sa. Ningon sila, guwapa daw ko. Ani. Ningon ko, it's okay. I accept the fact. So, ladies and gentlemen, as what I have said a while ago, my boyfriend's always supporting me. So, naman siya karang gabi o na ako siyang power. Ingon anak dyan ang mag-boyfriend, mag-turno dyan ang girl. Be proud. I am proud today. So ladies and gentlemen, this is my boyfriend for almost 3 months. Stand properly, Mr. Dog. Music, music. Killer smile kayo niya ang wala. Music daw, music din. Palunga, last week baga namin nakita, bali maning humuta. Karoon na ni Mao mag-edit ng animal. Touch me, touch me. Music, music, and touch me. Palangan. Ulawon kayo niya akong manok. Pwede kayo, kung ato is kwarto, pwede kayo mahigap. Karoon pa ulaw-ulaw. Ang sadyo ka, Coco Martin? Namura mag-agsikuan, babalot. So, ladies and gentlemen, naami hatag ka niyo karong gabi na special talent. Dili niyo siya katong para ninyo, dili special, pero para na ko special ni kay gipraktisa na ko ni for almost 1 year. Tungod na aning pasyenta. So, I am proud, ladies and gentlemen, the budget director, I need 2 chairs here with my boyfriend. Ana dyan na girl, look at the microphone, orange. Naawa. Na may pad. Dili na kanan girl, kaya may ani niyang effect. Sit down, palungan na, wala pa ko lingon. So ladies and gentlemen, this is my special talent with my boyfriend. So this is the last day of my boyfriend. I'm sorry. Music maestro. and gentlemen, di na siya ko kagwanta sa akong boyfriend karon. Kay paling asgarat na ulo.
Wow!
Good evening and thank you.
Once again, let's give a round of applause to our candidates.
Ladies and gentlemen, so nakakabili muharana sa Cardigiman. Okay, music maestro.
My talent, ladies and gentlemen, is quite special for me. I first performed this talent during my Dream Day Baguies 2022 journey. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the best in talent. So maybe this time I can get the best in talent in Barangay Uno. Music, maestro.
we look like we gays looks like feminine, we're trans women, we're transgender, we look feminine, but we give positivity and optimism near this stage just to entertain and give you happiness for tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, I also like to thank Mr. Ken Lisandro, the pageant organizer and the director. Of course, sa among guwapa na ayaw ni SK, si SK K. Grabe ang pahaba. Uy, nagkakaon ang mga bayot of leksyon. May pabasa, girl. Inana kabuta ng SK sa Barangay Puno. Ang kata ng SK. Dilira paros pang mugo. Char. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, according to Ate Ken, ang among talent person, no time limit, no chorba. Wala siya kagaling category na may time limit, never shy criteria to judge or whatsoever. We're just going to be here in front of you to showcase what we've got, just for you to be entertained. But before that, anything else, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to share a story. I was an orphan. So, being an orphan, I raised myself all by myself. I know the feeling. Relax po din with DJ. Excited po kayo ka. Magaling ka tekran tasa. So, as an orphan, ladies and gentlemen, I raised myself by almost myself. So, I know how the feeling of having no parents, having no family at all. So I have my small group who are volunteering to help the youth who are an orphan as well. So at this point, ladies and gentlemen, before I start my talent presentation, I just want to ask some monetary financial assistance for my group to help those who are in need. So, magsugod sa tatin, of course, sa dakong na lamisa. DJ, play the music, please. Hello sir, good evening. Newly promoted. The Kenaman. Kani si sir, kailangan kay Korma. Hamis kay sapatos. Bagong pamalit. Wow! Ako na yung kagilpil, Jun. Dili atas mga judges, kay basing nilakan niya ako. Sir, madam, inuulit ko tulong ako ng lingit sa iyang likod sa iyang tower. Holy pain, madahan, why di kahatan? O, abing hinaan na natin para madalit ko. Sige, bang abing hinaan? Di ba nalabay sa likod na kayo, sir? Tanong ulo. Hala! Tayo na orange. Hala, sir. Wow, magic. Hala, si Madam Papa. Hello, Madam. Ako ni Idol. Hello, sir. Oh my God. Thank you, sir. Merry Christmas. Wala na nga. Sinabi si Madam. Salamat. Mayalami. Ay, mga teacher. Tumutili. Si teacher. Ladies and gentlemen, I was born very talented. I have a total of 1,825 talents. Imagine, 1,825 talents. And I'm not ka-talented. Pero ako huwag na akong talent, maaptan tao bagyong Fermin. So ako yung pakita ka ng talent, tulungan ka buhok. I can count from 1, 2, 3. That's a talent. Kayo ba nili ka ba may istorya? Again, parin ako may talent. Come, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Diba? Ang uban kabuluot mo istorya, ang uban dili. Ay nana na, katong istorya mo, may night talents. Alright. O nahibulong mas mga bayot sa adunay kadayat number 1. Waling nagkagabot ko to eh. audition ni Palimatong Laguma. Uska busting ato. Sidlet lang tong nana. Talent pa rin ng iyang gikuha, iyang kuyuan, iyang isabot. Kay mabest in talent siya, 500. Tunga ko na sila. Malang ko doon ay pangtanduay o Sprite. Talent din ng imong yaga-yagaan sa tubangan? No, it's bullying. Am I right? Char! Unya, ako ang itong talent, iyang talent, katong last, katong ikaw akong po siyang. Pagkabatuga siya pangawak, di man siya kay balon, hindi siya kakwatas iyang kuyuan, iyang itong kadugo, nabuang siya. Napoy kaduhan, si Scad. Nakatakanta siya og shine. Shine! Shine sa imong kabuang, iulan ng bayot, patakala mapagsinghal mo na mag-iring na piit. Napay talent number 3. May lamyas iyang pagkanta, rolling in the deep. Sus, kay isayo, malamit ang tatayang pagkatakanta. Di sayo-sayo ni ambak-ambak, o tuak na atong stage kay tayo, hinulmanas barangay dos. Di nakabayad pas, Madam K. Nabuang siya. O grapoy number 4. Baling niwanga. Gulumpayat-lumpayat siya sa tubangan. O nabalik. Makapasistiskan. Makapag-braces pa si Madam sa iyang mga balik-balik. Ang talent, ladies and gentlemen, it should be composed of wits, creativity, and the skill that you possess. So muna kang istorya ganyan, no? Ani siya pag-talent, katong i-talent na kahit number 1, nga wala iyang ihuman. Kaya wala ko na siya kakakontak ng iyang pares. Pues ako to siya para yunon, yung full talent. So mangita ko sa ako ang soon-to-be partner din sa Paris City. Kaya mo ito panlibayin niya kasi sa magandang gawas. Hello, sir. Ay, insan niya ako yan. Alin yan, ano naman kong nakuha ganina sa gatos. Bakit na ako? Alin na yan, tagaan ikaw pang loon. Ikaw niyo. Oh my God! Palakpakan si Sir Lance! Wala ko yung kamuting mga taga-barangay ko. Kaya ako palakpakan! stigma goes around, we LGBT, part of the LGBT community, if we have a partner in life, people do judge us and discriminate us if we're having our partners. But then they didn't know that we are also humans. We need to be loved, we need to be cared, and we need to be respected, just like the way dear Lance did to me in this front. It can never make you less as a man if you have a partner, a lesbian, a gay, or a bisexual, or even who are part of LGBTQ plus community, because we are all human. We are equal in every aspect of life. Thank you so much, Sir Lance.